go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor entertaining, specifically focusing on transforming your patio into a serene oasis and tips how to decorate and furnish your patio as an entertainment. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, with the right design elements, you can create an inviting space to host friends and family. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Rustic outdoor entertaining is all about embracing natural elements and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. It's a style that blends seamlessly with the outdoors, often featuring weathered wood, stone, and earthy tones. Think cozy fire pits, comfortable seating, and lush greenery. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of nature and want to create a tranquil outdoor retreat. Investing in a well-designed outdoor entertaining space offers numerous benefits. Increased living space. By extending your living area outdoors, you can enjoy more space for relaxation and socializing. Enhanced quality of life. Spending time outdoors has been linked to improved mental and physical health. Increased home value. A beautifully designed outdoor space can significantly increase the value of your home. Stronger social connections. Hosting gatherings outdoors can foster stronger relationships with friends and family. To create a stunning outdoor entertaining space, consider the following tips. Define your style. Determine the overall style you want to achieve, whether it's rustic, modern, or a blend of both. Choose the right furniture. Invest in comfortable and durable furniture that complements your style. Consider options like wicker, teak, or metal. Add layers with textiles. Use outdoor pillows, throws, and rugs to add warmth and texture to your space. Incorporate lighting. Create ambience with outdoor lighting, such as string lights, lanterns, or spotlights. Embrace greenery. Incorporate plants and flowers to bring life and color to your outdoor space. Personalize with decor. Add personal touches like artwork, sculptures, or wind chimes to reflect your unique style. To elevate your outdoor entertaining experience, consider investing in the following items. 1. Comfortable seating. A variety of seating options, including sofas, chairs, and ottomans, can accommodate different preferences. 2. Outdoor dining table. A sturdy dining table is essential for hosting outdoor meals. 3. Fire pit. A fire pit can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. 4. Outdoor bar. A well-stocked outdoor bar can elevate your entertaining game. 5. Outdoor rug. An outdoor rug can define your seating area and add a touch of style. 6. Outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, and spotlights can create a magical ambience. 7. Outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen can take your outdoor entertaining to the next level. 8. Outdoor sound system. A high-quality sound system can enhance your outdoor entertainment experience. 9. Outdoor water feature. A water feature, such as a fountain or pond, can add a calming element to your space. 10. Stylish outdoor accessories. Accessories like planters, vases, and sculptures can add personality and style. By incorporating these elements, you can create a truly exceptional outdoor entertaining space. Remember, the most important thing is to create a space that reflects your personal style and invites you to relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors. Ready to start planning your patio entertainment decor ideas? Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration and tutorials. Let's create a beautiful and functional outdoor space together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Start planning your dream outdoor entertaining area today. For more inspiration and design tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs.